Dealing with addiction during coronavirus, it's another new normal that's reshaping the road to recovery. News 8's Jacqueline Francis is live in Grand Rapids tonight with how local groups are adjusting to this change. Jacqueline?
Hey, Sue. Yeah, people in Alcoholics Anonymous tell me that staying sober means staying connected. And lately, that means finding a virtual connection as in-person recovery meetings move online during this unprecedented time of social distancing.
As alcoholics and addicts, we joke about it, but it's absolutely true that we would crawl through broken glass in the middle of a tornado to get to the liquor store. So there's really no reason that we don't get to our meetings.
Coronavirus has changed that. As one of West Michigan's largest recovery communities, Alano Club of Kent County had no choice but to close its doors, canceling all in-person AA meetings to comply with social distancing and other health precautions. Recovery programs everywhere are facing the same fate.
It's not necessarily that we as a recovery community want to shut them down, it's that the places where we hold them are shutting down. So, and it's respectable, people are getting sick.
But fighting one battle could bring back another, as too much space can threaten hard-earned sobriety.
One of the worst things people in recovery can do is isolate. A lot of us like to isolate. We like to be alone. That way we can tell ourselves what we should and shouldn't do.
Which is why recovery groups are finding a new way to be connected, moving meetings online.
Because it was uncharted territory. So, the first thing we thought of was, can we do online? And that's how this evolved.
Just a few days into this new normal, members are grateful to have their on-screen support.
As soon as people's pictures started popping up, you realize that even in that short time, we all missed each other. We truly are a fully connected family.
A connection so strong, other West Michigan recovery groups can't stand to stay away.
I know that there are some people who are still willing to go meet like in the parking lots and sit like in their own chairs. I don't know, like 5-6 feet away from one another with no physical interaction, but you're still sitting with people who understand what you're going through.
Right now on woodtv.com, we have a list of online recovery resources as well as the phone number to a 24-hour support hotline. Reporting live in Grand Rapids, Jacqueline Francis, News 8.